Alright, welcome back to Hangar Modern Classics. If you've been following along with this, we have been working primarily on the body tub, the doors, and the back half of the car. Simultaneously to that, we have been working on parts of the front clip. When I say front clip, I'm talking about basically all the sheet metal on the car from the firewall forward. So I think you typically think, oh, well, that's just, you know, a couple fenders in the hood maybe, but there's a lot more going on. And so all of these parts have been going through the same steps that the body tub did, from metal finishing to epoxy primer, and this, of course, in this case, inside and out, build prime, etc. There's more parts hanging over here. So I've got to shuffle these indoors. I just brought them out here it was sunny earlier, so the sun helps it cure up. So there you are. The front end sheet metal is ready for blocking. So now I can start that process on all these parts, just like we did on the rear half of the car. I had shot several videos. This is the right front fender that was so screwed up previously. As you can see, this thing is looking really nice at this point. So I've got some time in it for sure, but it'll fit on the car. And it's one more little piece of General Motors history here that's going to find a home on a really cool hot rod. The only oddball piece, obviously, here that doesn't go to the front end of the car is the trunk lid or deck lid, which is what it's actually called. Yeah, fun fact there. Well, fact anyway. So I reshot that because there was a couple little ticky-tacky things that weren't the way I wanted them. So I had primer in the gun, so I just tossed it out there and got it done as well. So front clip, subject of the next steps in this car.